Hi friends, welcome back to Harsha-educated channel. And today we are going to see about some cyber security stuff which you are going to use regularly. ఈ రోజు వచ్చరికి మనం సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ ల్యాబ్స్ అనేది చూద్దాం. ఒక బిగినర్ నుంచి ఒక అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్ ల్యాబ్స్ కి మనం ఎలా మూవ్ అవ్వాలి, మనకి హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా వస్తుంది అనేసి నేను ఈ వీడియోలో మీకు చూపిస్తాను. అండ్ యూజింగ్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఫస్ట్ ల్యాబ్ వచ్చేసరికి ఇక్కడ మనకి టోటల్గా 22 ల్యాబ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మనకి ఫస్ట్ ల్యాబ్ వచ్చేసరికి యూజింగ్ హైడ్రా టు క్రాక్ ది పాస్వర్డ్స్. ఇక్కడ నేను మీకు ఆన్లైన్ ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తాను ఈ వెబ్సైట్లో. అండ్ మనం లైనక్స్లో కూడా మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే ఓకే ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం వీడియో. ల్యాబ్ అనేది టైం పట్టింది, 2 మినిట్స్. హైడ్రా అనేది మీ అందరు తెలుసు. హైడ్రా దేనికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది? అది ఒక పాపులర్ టూల్ టు క్రాక్ ది టెస్టింగ్ పాస్వర్డ్స్. ఓకే, పాస్వర్డ్స్ అనేది క్రాక్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సీ టుడే హైడ్రా, హౌ టు యూజ్ ది హైడ్రా. And here we are going to see clear instructions how to use this lab, and how we are going to execute the few commands on this one, and exploring the target website. In the steps you will explanation the website, you will be test open a web. ఓకే, వెబ్ అనేది ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆల్రెడీ డిస్ప్లే ఉంది. సో మనం ఈ వెబ్ అనేది ఓపెన్ చేద్దాం. Similarly, to login pages, you encounter too many websites every day. Let's try some basics login attempts to understand how the system responds. Actually, this is the think real website, and we are going to try to some giving some wrong ident credentials, and how the server will be response and how the website will be response. We are going to note down that one. Later we are attack the perform the Hydra attack. Okay, let's try the first attempt. Okay, here we are test and password 123. Click here login, and how will website, here you can see here invalid username or password showing like that. And second attempt username admin, and you just observe how the website will give the error. We are going to observe that one. You can see here, and this one also showing same that one, username or password incorrect. Okay, after each attempt you receive invalid username and password message. This is a generic response injection. Okay, when you are going to log in a real website and you try to wrong credentials, and it will give a some error, like the password is incorrect or username is incorrect. We are going to first monitor that one, and before we are going to next step. Okay, continue. Next, examining the passwords list. Now let we understand the basic concept of the brute force attack. Let's assume that list of the common password. Usually there are a lot of common passwords is there. Like in Kali Linux, it is a word list is there, and we are going to see in lab on our own lab. Where these credentials will be there, like where the passwords list will be stored in our lab. And if you using a Kali Linux, you are attacking real time website, you can use the Kali Linux word list. It is defaultly available for in Linux. Okay, switch to the desktop tab. Okay, now we are going to go the desktop tab, and here we open AVX terminal. Okay, here we are going to open terminal. It's take a few minutes to load that one. Mm, mm, mm. And this is one of the best lab, guys. You should practice, and we navigate this one. And next we are going to see give the ls command. This is a completely a Linux Linux commands only. Here we are going to use that commands only. You don't need worry about these commands. And next, this list already be prepared for you in located as home dos. Here we are going to see this is are the one 500 worst passwords test. Oh, we are going to see that one. What is the passwords? You can use cat to read that one to a worst passwords dot tst. Here we can display these are the worst 500 passwords. Okay, and how what is the lab where it will be showing. Okay, fine. This all will done. And next I am going to say head command. This is the head command which will you give the top 10 in that test file. Okay, if you give the same worst passwords dot tst, it will be give you a top 10 worst passwords list. Okay, and the here head will be used to identify like this one, and you keep note this one to better to this command will be used in Linux also. Okay, next we can continue and set up the Hydra. Now let we have our like we have the own passwords list, right? But let's set up the Hydra tool using the auto on brute force attack simulation Hydra. Okay, we are going to set up a Hydra. First, we will create a small test file containing some usernames that we want to test. Okay, we are going to also to create a some usernames. Okay, it will be helpful for in a Hydra attack like a brute force attack. Okay, and run this command. Okay, here going to see. Now I am going to back home, go to the desktop and give the ls. Here we're going to a desktop ls, go this site, cd, paste here, enter. Oops, let's do it again. Okay, we can again here we need to come this one and open this one. Should allow that one, and you can give the ls. Here we are going to see the some list of the passwords, and we are going to create some usernames here using the echo. Echo is the one of the uh, tool. It will be created to you a test files. Okay, and here we are going to give some commands like admin is the one username here we are going to give, and better we can use the nano is the best thing to you to editor. Okay, nano, and here user name dot txt, enter, and here you can enter the usernames admin and nozer and root. These are the usernames, and when you are going to save this one and control O, enter, and control X, and it will be created for you the a test file, and you can give the ls, and it will be display for you a usernames and dot tests dot test. And if you want to read that usernames, and you can use the cat command to read that one, just you tap that one, you can see here. And next we are going to start our own attack. Let's we are going to Hydra. Yeah, really Hydra is installed or not? We are going to check that one. Sorry guys. Hydra dot h. It will show you a you can see here how to use the Hydra. The some instructions will be here. Okay, next continue. Continue. Using Hydra for a password cracking list. Now we have the Hydra will be installed here. Okay, and next we are going to see about how we are going to attack you brute force attack using the Hydra. This is the command. You can copy here and paste here, and let me understand one by one here. Just here paste. Yeah, I will tell you here, explain you everything about this one. And when you are using a multiple usernames, you can use the minus L, capital L. When you are using a single username, you can use the small L, and same like that one when you are using a when you are using these multiple passwords, you can use capital P, and you are using symbol. And next we are going to this local test, and here you can see here everything explained here one by one. Target web address local port is 190, we are testing. Okay, this tell Hydra the login pages URL, how these login pages form mode, file or name mode as a username and passwords, what error message look like the error. Okay, here we are going to see here if username and passwords. Okay, I will just close that one. I have minimized this one, and you can see here when you are when you are trying to log in that website, you notice some credentials error, what you are coming to error, and you can just view here, and just this is the port you are using. Just keep the enter. Hydra attack will be start here. Yeah, you can see here it will be crack the website. Okay, and last we going to check that one if the really this website will be crack. You can give the ls, and you can see here Hydra release. If you want to read that uh, file, you can use the cat command here. Just enter. You can see your localhost admin and password. Last we are going to try that one, and you can copy here admin. You navigate to the this one and give the admin, and password is what will be, it will be show a password only. Okay, just enter the password, click the login. Login is successful. You can see here login is successful. We successfully to log in this website. We are successfully to brute force attack. If you like this video means, please subscribe and share to your friends. Okay guys, and upcoming videos I'm going to share with you real time lab experience with you. Okay.